Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cardiac muscle and its unique functional properties that make it essential for life. The functional properties of the cardiac muscle are excitability, autorhythmicity, conductivity, contractility, functional syncytium, non-tendinizable, non-fatigable. Cardiac muscle cells are excitable, meaning they can respond to electrical impulses. This allows them to react to signals from the body's nervous system, triggering them to contract. Autorhythmicity refers to the heart's ability to generate its own rhythmic electrical impulses without external stimuli. This is crucial for maintaining a steady heartbeat. Conductivity in cardiac muscle is about transmitting electrical impulses throughout the heart muscle.
Contractility is the ability of cardiac muscle fibers to shorten, causing the heart to contract and pump blood. It's a key factor in determining the heart's pumping capacity. This term means that cardiac muscle cells work as a single unit. Although individual cells, they function together seamlessly, ensuring efficient heartbeats. The two atria contract as one unit and the two ventricles contract as one unit. Unlike skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles can't sustain a prolonged contraction or tetanus. This prevents the heart from getting locked up and ensures continuous blood flow. Cardiac muscle is non-tendinizable because it has a long refractory period caused by the plateau. Cardiac muscles are non-fatigable. They don't tire despite continuously working throughout a person's life. This endurance is due to a high number of mitochondria providing energy. The heart's functionality relies on these unique properties of the cardiac muscle, making it an incredible organ capable of sustaining life. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to get notified of any new uploads.